Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready, power on the Chromecast built-in TV, and unlock your iPhone. Open Google Home and sign in. This app discovers Cast devices. Make sure both TV and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Different networks won't work. If prompted, allow Bluetooth and local network access. They speed discovery. Once the TV appears in Google Home, tap it to begin setup and follow prompts to link the TV to your Google account and Wi-Fi. Now you cast content. Open a Cast-enabled app on your iPhone, for example YouTube. Find the Cast icon, it looks like a screen with a Wi-Fi corner, and tap it, then choose your TV from the list. Once connected, you control playback from the app on your phone, including volume, seek, and subtitle options. Casting streams from the cloud, so your phone sends commands but doesn't use all bandwidth. That's why playback remains smooth, even if you lock the phone. To finalize, open Google Home and adjust settings. Rename the TV, set room placement, or enable guest mode for visitors. If your iPhone can't find the TV, restart the TV, router, and your phone in that order, then check Wi-Fi again. Make sure the casting app and iOS are up to date. Software mismatches often cause issues. If problems persist, remove the TV from Google Home and redo setup. That clears bad configs and usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.